Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you my new Sunny Health foldable and automatic inclination uh, treadmill. So I have purchased this from Amazon, and the original cost was $679, and with taxes it came around $767 including delivery, and I paid $96 extra for installation. Amazon also offer this home service installation, so they came, they installed, and I did not have to pay anything separately to them because everything was done through Amazon. So honestly guys, this was a smooth transaction because it was easy to do. So now taking a look at this, what are the things we have? So first let's come on the main panel. So we have this emergency breaker if you want to brake. Okay, all right, start stop button here, and even at your fingertips you have speed up, speed down, incline up, incline down. You have these facilities. This is the main screen, and do you see this? So if you have like 3.5 mm port in your phone, you can attach and you can listen the music over here. Okay, this is a good facility I see. And these are the programs: mode, inclined, speed. You can increase, decrease, and there are some buttons here, like if you want to set it at 3 incline, click. Speed you want to adjust, you can click over here. They have also given me this lubricant for motorized treadmill that we got to put it beneath the belt to increase the life, and I'm going to use it regularly so that it works. So this is how it works guys, and I have purchased it, and I'm gonna use it, and it looks pretty good. If I come across an issue, I'll definitely inform you guys. Thanks for watching.